East Lansing Police, Meridian Township Police, the MSU Police Department, Ingham County Sheriff Department, all of the local police agencies in the East Lansing area are bound to be busy. School season is back. The students are back at MSU, LCC, and Cooley Law School. A couple of things to remember. That law that decriminalized the first minor in possession, it does not take effect until the beginning of 2018. So that first offense, MIP, is still a criminal charge and a conviction unless you use a deferral or a diversion program. Another point I want to make is that if you're arrested and you're in the back of the police cruiser making statements, whether you're making a phone call to a parent or a friend, saying things like "I screwed up" or talking about the case, that is going to be fair game. And I'm finding that prosecutors are looking for video from the camera. There's actually a camera that can point both ways. Many cars have two cameras pointing at the back seat and recording you. And prosecutors can use it if it's relevant, even if you're not subject to Miranda warnings, because it's a voluntary statement. It's not the result of a custodial interrogation. Okay, so if you're arrested in East Lansing, your case will be handled at the 54B District Court. It's adjacent to the East Lansing Police Department here at the corner of Abbott and Linden, 101 Linden, across the street from the Dublin Irish pub. It'll take about 30, 60, sometimes 90 days or more, depending on if there are motions, for your case to go from arraignment to pretrial to jury selection and trial. The jury selections are the second Tuesday of every month in the afternoon, and then you're looking at about a week to 3, sometimes 4 or 5 weeks between the jury selection and the jury trial. So remember, it's best to politely exercise your right not to make statements to a police officer, and you also have the right, it's only a civil infraction if you refuse it, to refuse the PBT if you're pulled over for a drunk driving investigation, and you can simply refuse it if you're a minor and you're suspected of drinking alcohol.